Hello, welcome back to my studio. It's been a quiet and cold week here where I am. To get some energy, I'm going to paint some movement, a horse that trots. Maybe I could paint a galloping horse sometime soon. So let me paint and see how this trotting horse comes to life. I wet the paper with clean water and started with burnt umber. And immediately after that, I'm applying cadmium yellow and going to add some alizarin crimson. So that's my base coat before I apply the next wash. I'm applying burnt umber here, and the belly portion of the horse has a reddish tinge. So I will mix a little cadmium red for that area. I'm trying to give the muscle definition around the horse's neck. Giving the darker tone on the side of the horse's face where the light falls less. For the darker tone of the horse's mane, I'm mixing ultramarine blue, cadmium red, and black. I'm applying colors there to define the muscles on the forelegs. I'm giving more value to the body by highlighting with ultramarine and the darker tones. You can also see the cadmium yellow and the crimson that we gave as a base coat that's coming out through the color, giving it realism. I'm painting the shadows on the hind legs with dark tone. You can always soften the edges of paint by using a clean brush, and you can see how the paint would blend in making it look very realistic. Darkening the eyes and slowly painting the ears. adding some details on the face, but not too much. I'm adding some highlights on the horse's body to give it a texture for the realistic look. For the tail, I'm using my liner brush. You can also use the edge of your flat brush to give it the texture and the movement. The horse has certainly come to life. Hope you liked the video. If you did, hit the like and subscribe buttons. And when you subscribe, don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you will not miss any notifications. I would love to hear your feedback in the comments section. Thank you very much for watching. I will be posting new videos. Bye and take care.